Too tall in there, too tall.
Hey, get that.
Circle towards the legs, circle towards the legs.
Suck it in.
Swim the body, swim the body.
Get the head. Swim for the head. Get up, get up.
There you go, sit, elbows in, good. Sit in hip ice, push off the head. Good, push off the head, hip ice. Hip ice. Gazzoni.
There we go.
Keep moving, Jamie.
Hey, sit down, turn in.
Elbows, watch your elbows, hip ice.
There we go. Do it again. Sit down, turn in. Again, Jamie, put your leg out.
Oh, there you go, B-Mont, there you go, good. Unlace your leg out of there, good. And then you can sit.
Hey, knee slide. Does he know knee slide?
No, probably not. We've done it, but I don't think they know it.
Face up.
I think they got to figure it out on their own sometimes, you know.
It's all right, we'll get it.
Elbow down, let's go, look away.
Hey,
stand up now, stand up. Big stomp and stand up.
Don't stand up.
Get your head up, nothing good can come up. There you go.
Hello, boy. Hey, let's go. Hey, teach him the knee slide, sit out. It's like this. Bring it down. Sit out. See that? Knee slide, sit out. Turn it. It's really good. Come on, Jay. Hey.
Short time.
Get up.
You ready to move?
Hey, get up.
Run out of there.
Get up.
Hand control, run. Good. Come on, you're out. There you go. Go get him. Oh, man, good learning lesson. Post on the head, sprawl, go out. Get your two. There you go. Go around.
Circle.
Good job. Get your toes out. Toes down. He's going to be really good.
He's going to be.
Yeah, he's going to be really, really good.
Pass him out.
He's got a big future in wrestling if he wants.
Does he know an ankle kick? He can ankle kick.
No. Keep your elbows in on shots. Don't get wide. Shuck it next time. Shuck it.
Head top.
Finish.